the first thing you're going to do is you're going to slip 2 stitches, and you're going to slip them at the same time. So you're going to put your needle through both as if you're going to knit them together. But instead of knitting them together, you just slide them right off the needle onto the right hand. Then you knit one, and now you pass both slipped stitches over at the same time. So you're going to stick your needle through both loops, pull them up and over that knit stitch, and when we come down, we have a nice centered decrease where this center stitch stays prominent throughout. Let's do that again on the back. All right, so we've got our 3 stitches. We are going to slip 2 as if to knit them together. So we put our needle through both, slide them, pop them off. And what that does is it changes the orientation of them. Then we knit the next stitch. And then we take these 2 slipped stitches, and as one, we pop them up and over. And again, it gives us a nice clean thing. Don't freak out that it's not going to go anywhere, especially if you're using wool. So that's how the center double decrease works.